Is your Facebook feed stuck on old posts, or is the app crashing and acting weird? You probably need to force a refresh. I'm going to show you 3 distinct ways to fix this, starting with the easiest and moving to a deep clean that solves 90% of the glitches. First, close the app completely. Open your app store and search for Facebook. If you see a blue update button, as you see here, tap that immediately. That's usually the culprit. But if it says open and you still have issues, we need to dig deeper. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on general, iPhone storage, give it a sec to load, and locate Facebook. Tap on Facebook, and now tap on offload app. And confirm offload app. This clears out the cache and bugs without deleting your personal data. Then just hit reinstall app. This might take a while. Once the app is back, open it and tap the menu in the bottom right. Scroll all the way down. Hit log out. I highly recommend doing this to force the server to reload your profile from scratch. Log back in and your feed should be brand new. Ever wonder how to reset your Facebook feed? Check out this video now.